Hey, 2K? Come on, bro. You know I'm down. Bet, here. Bro, I'm about to blow you out. Where my 2K at? Bro, where my 2... Oh, there it is. Why your PlayStation sound sick? Nah, we good, bruh. It just be doing this on the loading screen. Alright. Bro, you sure everything alright? Don't worry, bruh. It do this every day. Oh my God! Why you got on earmuffs? It just be getting a little loud sometimes. Bro, it's literally flying.
This is your pilot speaking.
Don't worry, bruh. I go through this every day. Ah! Just hold on. Turn it off, man. Don't let go. Ah! I don't want to play 2K no more. Ah! Finally, the game loaded. What team you want? I'm going home.
That dude shy funny.